Okay, year 8, this is how you are going to prepare for your patterns and process assessment on the greenhouse effect. You're going to be answering 3 questions. Question 1 is describe the process of the greenhouse effect and how it is caused. For this question, you need to know what happens to the sun's energy. You need to know the gases that create the blanket of pollution, where those gases come from, and what those gases do. Second question is describe and explain the pattern of consequences of the greenhouse effect around the world. You need to know at least 5 consequences of the greenhouse effect and where those consequences are likely to take place, and you should also have pieces of data that you can use to support your answer as evidence. You also need to try to get in the fact that different areas of the world will be affected more than other parts of the world. So what type of countries are likely to be affected more than other types of countries, and why? You need to name specific places, country names, and as I say, you need to give data. You need to try to categorise the consequences, so give a broad spread of physical and human consequences and categorise them in your answer. The third question that you will be answering is how can the greenhouse effect be tackled, and this is all about thinking about solutions to the greenhouse effect. Think about what individuals can do, think about what a country can do, and think about as a globe what needs to happen. Think about carbon footprints and how they can be reduced, what can we do in our homes, and what can governments do to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. When you're doing your revision, start with 3 pages in your book and just list ideas, and then you need to write or practice writing 3 paragraphs, 1 paragraph for each of the questions that I've just taken you through. Try to use phrases like this is because, this means that, this is evidence of, this happens because, as a consequence, the result will be. All those phrases help to improve the structure, the literacy and the level of your work.